Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 black screen after you login. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to check your monitor connection. Ensure your monitor is turned on and connected properly. Check the video cable connection and try using a different cable or port. If you have multi-monitor setup, disconnect the additional monitor and make sure your monitor is set as the main display. If all these methods are fixed and working perfectly, you have to go with further steps. Second method you have to try is restart Windows Explorer. To do that, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Then it will be open Task Manager. You can open it using right click on it and go to Task Manager. But in your case, you have to see the task bar, so you have to press Ctrl Shift plus ESC. In here you can see apps are running. You can find Windows Explorer here. Just tap on it, tap on restart. This will be restart the Windows Explorer. And if that also not working, you have to boot into the safe mode. To do that, press Windows plus R and search for msconfig. Tap on OK. Go to the boot section and make sure this one is ticked. That means safe boot turned on, and press OK. Then after you need to restart your PC. Once in the safe mode, you can troubleshoot further, like if you update your drivers, you have to delete that drivers and uninstall the recent update kind of things. So if that also not working, you have to go with further steps. Next you have to update the graphic drivers. To do that, first you need to go to the boot into the safe mode like I previously said. Then after assume you are in the boot mode, so you need to press Windows plus X and go to device manager option and expand the display adapters. Choose the display adapter and right click on it, tap on update driver and choose the first one, and it says they already download the best drivers for me. So go back and choose the second one, again choose this one and choose your graphic driver and tap on next. This will reinstall the drivers that are already in your computer, and this also really helpful to fix your issue. And if that also not working, you have to perform a system restore. Again you need to go to the safe mode like I previously said. Then after you need to press Windows plus R. It will be open run menu and type RSTRUI. Tap on OK. Yeah, it will be open system restore menu. It shows the what restore you can do. In my case, this is the restore I can get. So just tap on next and it will be restore your system onto this date with this time. And if that also not working, you have to disable fast startup. To do that, go to search bar, search for control panel. This is it. Just tap on it and make sure you are view by large options in here and choose the power options here. In this you need to choose what the power button do option, and you have to click on change setting that are currently unavailable. Yeah, now you can see those settings are available. You have to untick this one. That means turn on say fast boot mode is unticked. So then after tap on save changes and find that problem will be fixed or not. I will keep this as it is. And if it is not working, you have to use the command prompt for advanced fixes. To do that, go to search bar, search for command prompt. Sorry about my spelling mistake. Right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes in the pop-up menu. Now you need to type boot rec space / fix mbr. Hit enter. Then the process is completed. Again you need to type boot rec space /fix boot. Hit enter. Then it also completed. You have to again type bootrec /scan os. Hit enter. Lastly, you have to type bootrec /rebuild bcd. Hit enter. These 4 commands will be fix your issue in related this one. And if that also not working, you have to check the Windows update. To do that, go to Windows key, go to setting. In the left side menu, choose the Windows update option. Tap on check for updates. Then it will be check the latest update, and it will be automatically download for you. And do this in the safe mode, because otherwise you can't see the screen now. And previous step also you need to do in safe mode. So these are the 8 methods I have to show you how to fix your problem. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.